Okay, so today we are continuing with our movie study. Today is the last day for part 2. Now for homework, I asked you to write a paragraph on your favorite character up until now. So well done to the students, Hacker, Sao, Kang, Chi, Cindy, Quang Hai, Ming Huang, and Noob for uploading your homework to the system. Well done. Now let's just discuss. What are your favorite characters? Who would like to talk about their favorite character? Ming Huang, can you tell me who your favorite character is?
It's Bruce.
Good job. Well done. Yours was a really good homework. Can you tell me a little bit about Bruce and why you like him?
Bruce is good
Bruce is good. Why is he good?
because he tried to be a herbivore.
Very good. He's really good shark. He tries to be a herbivore. Ming Huang, can you explain to the class what herbivore means?
Herbivore is only eat plant.
Very good. Well done. So he tries not to eat fish. Well done, Ming Huang. That was a really great homework. Who else? So a lot of people said Nemo was their favorite character. Some people said Marlin. Some people said Bruce. Some people said Bubbles, but that was in a different class. And I think another person wrote Peach. Okay, let's have a look. Quang Hai, who is your favorite character?
Nemo.
Okay, why is Nemo your favorite character?
Nemo have a lucky fin, but he swim fast.
Very good. Nemo has a lucky fin, but Nemo has a lucky fin, but he still can swim really fast. So I saw that you wrote that in your homework. Even though Nemo has a small fin, he can still swim really well. Well done, Quang Hai. Okay, Hannah and Emma, I can see you on the computer now, so I'm going to try and unmute you.
My favorite character is Dory.
Good girl. Why do you like Dory? One more person. Lam, who is your favorite character?
I like Bubbles
You like Bubbles. Good. Can you tell me why?
because he is nice, but he is nice.
He is nice. Good. Can you tell me what kind of animal Bubbles is? Do you know? So he's the same kind of fish as Dory, but instead of blue, he is
He is yellow.
good. So he's a yellow tang. Dory is a blue tang and he is a yellow tang. Well done, Lam. Really good work. So well done, guys, on your homeworks. They were very impressive. Lots of you had different opinions on who the best character was. Today, we're going to look at Kang's homework. Well done, Kang. Woo. Okay, Kang, please can you read out your homework to the class here?
Nemo is a clownfish. He is
A small
he is a small orange fish with some white stripes. I like Nemo because Nemo is cute and Nemo was very excited to go to school. Into the fish tank. Nemo was trying to go out
the glass
the glass
and
and
Nemo
Nemo couldn't do it. In the end, Nemo went
into
into the sink and Nemo went to the ocean.
Very good. Well done. Good job, Kang. Amazing. So well done, Kang. You did all that was asked of you. You told me what type of fish he was, what he looked like, why you liked him, and what he did in the movie. So well done, Kang. Really good job. Your homeworks were amazing, guys. Well done. Okay, let's get started on our lesson. So today is our final day of part 2. That means over the weekend you will be watching part 3 and we will start that on Monday. So the first thing I want to do is talk about the timeline of part 2. Okay, so here we have a bunch of pictures from the timeline of part 2. And I want you to help me number them in the correct order from 1 to 5. Which picture should have number 1? Which picture should be number 1? Can you describe which picture should be number 1? What is the first thing that happens in part 2?
the middle.
In the middle, good girl. And what can you see in this picture?
I see Dory and Marlin. Dory is looking. Dory is looking
Looking at Marlin.
at Marlin, and Marlin is looking worried about Nemo.
Very good. Good girl. Well done. So in the first part, Marlin meets Dory. Dory says that she can help him, but actually she has short-term memory loss and she's not very good at helping him. Okay, what happens next? What is the second picture? Quang Hai.
The second picture is they then they meet a shark and the shark say go party. Then Dory is very like a party. Then they go to the party.
Good. Dory really likes parties. So Dory says, yeah, I'll go to a party. So very good. Well done, Quang Hai. This picture is number 2 when they meet the sharks and they go to their meeting or their party. Well done, Quang Hai. Okay, which picture should be number 3? Which picture should come next? Kiwi.
The shark smells the blood of Dory.
Good girl. Do you know what shark this is? Is this Anchor, Chum, or Bruce?
Bruce.
Good girl. So Bruce smells Dory's blood. Well done. Good girl, Kiwi. Okay, what comes next? Ming Huang.
Mm, mm, this picture.
You have to describe it to me because I can't see where you're pointing.
Nemo stuck
In the tube.
tube.
Very good. Well done, Ming Huang. The next part is when we go to Nemo and he is put in the fish tank and he gets very scared when he hears about Darla and he gets stuck in a tube. Well done. And what should be the last picture? Noob.
The the last picture is the starfish stuck in the glass.
Good, well done. The starfish that is stuck on the glass. Well done, Noob. Well done. In this picture, we can see Gil and Peach is saying that Nemo is just like Gil. He's from the ocean. Well done. Now, what I want you guys to help me do is I want you to help me retell the story of part 2. So, what happens at the beginning? Lekang. Marlin chases after the boat. Then what happens?
Marlin and Dory go to find the boat.
Very good. But what do we learn about Dory here? Dory has a problem. What is Dory's problem?
Me.
What is her problem, Lekang?
Her problem is her long, long mem-
Her memory. Good. She has short-term memory loss. And very good. So she cannot remember anything. So Marlin gets very angry with Dory, doesn't he? He says, you're wasting my time. There's something wrong with you. Okay, but then what happens? What happens here? Who can explain what happens after? Teddy, go ahead.
After the Dory helped Marlin to find his son Nemo, a shark named Bruce invited them to a little party.
Very good. And what are they doing at the party? They're talking about how they don't want to eat
Fish and Marlin and Dory meet Chump and Anchor.
Good girl. Well done. Lovely, Teddy. Perfect. So Marlin, Dory, and the sharks go to a meeting and they have a club where they vow not to eat fish. So the sharks are very friendly. Then Marlin spots a scuba diving mask and he goes to get it. Then him and Dory are fighting over it. And what happens to Dory's nose? What happens to Dory's nose? Tweety.
Dory had blood.
Good. Dory's nose starts to bleed. And then what happens? When the blood goes into the water, then what happens?
Bruce smelled Dory blood and started to chase Dory and Marlin.
Good girl. Well done. Bruce smells the blood. He goes crazy. He becomes uncontrollable. Okay, so he smells this blood and he says, oh, that smells good. His eyes go big and black and he starts to try to hurt Marlin and Dory. Okay, why do you think he tries to hurt Marlin and Dory. Do you think that he wants to hurt Marlin and Dory? Hannah and Emma, do you think that Bruce wants to hurt Marlin and Dory?
Yes.
Yes? Why do you think he wants to hurt them?
Because when Bruce smelled the blood, Bruce's eyes go blacker and he wants to eat Dory and Marlin.
Good girl, well done. So he wants to eat Dory and Marlin because he smells the blood. Noob, what were you going to say? What do you think? Do you think Bruce wants to hurt Dory and Marlin?
No,
No. Why do you think he doesn't want to hurt them?
because he smelled the blood.
Good. Okay, good. Well done. So he doesn't actually want to hurt them. He's trying his best to be a good shark. He doesn't want to hurt the fish, but he smells the blood. He cannot control it. He is powerless. He is an animal. He smells the blood and he wants to eat them. Well done, Noob. So I don't think that he wants to hurt them. I think that it's because he smells the blood. He cannot control himself. So well done, Noob. Okay. Who can tell me what happens here? Nemo gets put in the fish tank. Then what? Mingha.
He's very scared.
Good girl. He's very scared. And what happens to him?
He's stuck.
He gets stuck in a tube. Well done. Do you remember why he gets stuck in the tube? That's okay. Don't worry, Mingha. Okay, he gets stuck in the tube because the fish tank gang, they show him a picture of Darla. And he gets really, really scared because they tell him that Darla is going to be his new owner. Why does he not want Darla to be his owner? Hami?
Because in the ocean, fish scares fish scare animal. Fish scare people.
Ah, fish are scared of people. Good. Well done. That's one answer. And there's one other answer I'm looking for. So in the picture of Darla, she's holding something. Quang Hai, what is she holding?
He's holding a bag of fish. Last year, they told Nemo she never ever stopped checking the bag of fish. Last year, his uncle have a new fish. Then she has the fish had been died because she never stopped checking the bag. She's checking the bag because mm, mm, the fish is waking, but she didn't see he is waking. He said, "Waking up, wake up,
Well,
wake."
well done. Well done, well done, well done, Quang Hai. So Darla has a bag of one fish in her hand, but the fish is upside down because he is dead, because she is known to shake the bag so much that she kills the fish. The fish tank gang call her a fish killer. So when Nemo hears this, of course he's going to be petrified. So he gets really scared and he starts swimming up and up and up the tank and accidentally gets stuck in the tube. Then what happens? Lum.
I don't remember.
That's okay, don't worry. Sao.
Nemo became the shark bit.
No, so we haven't learned about that bit yet. That's in part 3. So we're still on part 2. What happens here? So Nemo is stuck in the tube like this. Then what happens?
Then
Did the fish tank gang pull him out?
no.
What happens?
Then Nemo swim out.
Nemo swims out by himself. Good job. Who helps him swim out?
Don't have any people help him.
No people? Not even this character? Who is this character's name? Can you remember?
No.
That's okay. His name is Gil. So Gil comes out and he says, nobody touch him. If he can get in that tube, he can get himself out. Okay? And the fish tank gang, they want to help him. They want to pull Nemo out, but Gil wants him to be independent. So Gil does help him without touching him. He says, stop moving. He was like, use your fins or use your tail. Don't use both at the same time. But Gil believes in Nemo. He is confident that Nemo is strong enough and smart enough to get out of the tube by himself. Okay, guys, well done. So we've run through part 2. Now we're going to look at character relationships. Again, we know that character relationships are the way that characters are connected. So let's have a look at the first relationship. Dory and Marlin. What do we think? Good relationship or bad relationship? Who can tell me about Dory and Marlin's relationship? Let's go for Hannah and Emma.
Chị bảo chị sẽ học mà.
Hannah and Emma? Can you tell me about Dory and Marlin's relationship? Is it good or bad?
Good.
Good? Okay, how is it good?
What is relationship?
What is a relationship? It means how they are connected. It means do they have a good friendship, a bad friendship? Do they trust each other? Do they like each other?
Good friendship.
Okay, how do they have a good friendship?
They trust other and they
So you think that they trust each other. Okay. Okay, so yeah, in your opinion, they trust each other. Okay, no problem. Okay, Ming Huang, what do you think? Because you chatted in the chat box. What do you think? Bad.
bad.
Bad. Why do you think they've got a bad relationship?
No.
No, he doesn't. He's very grateful for her help at the beginning, but when he finds out that she doesn't remember anything and she has short-term memory loss, he gets angry with Dory. He's not very nice to her. He says, "There's something wrong with you and you're wasting my time." So he's not very nice to Dory. Okay, well done, Ming Huang. Okay, let's see. Who can read this paragraph about their relationship? Kiwi, can you read this for me?
When Dory met Marlin, she was helpful and friendly. Hey,
However,
however, Dory had short-term
memory,
memory loss, which means she
forgot,
forgot things easily. Marlin became angry and
annoyed.
annoyed with Dory. He did not trust her and didn't want to go to the party with the shark.
Very good. Lovely reading, Kiwi. Well done. So, their relationship is not so great, okay? So, when Dory met Marlin, she was very helpful and friendly. However, she has short term memory loss, which means she forgot things easily. She even tried to fight Marlin. Marlin became angry and annoyed with her. He did not trust her and he didn't want to go to the party with the sharks. So, their relationship at the beginning is not very good. Okay, let's talk about the relationship between Marlin, Dory, and the sharks. What is the relationship like between Marlin and Dory and the sharks? Is it a good relationship or a bad relationship? Tweety.
And a bad relationship
Okay, why do you think it's a bad relationship?
because Bruce smelled Dory blood. Bruce tried to eat them.
Very good, well done. Yeah, so when Bruce smells the blood, he tries to eat them. So that's not so good. Would anyone say that they have a good relationship? Click the raise your hand button if you think they have a good relationship. Okay, Kwang Hai, can you tell me why they have a good relationship?
They have a good relationship because when the fish shark said they will not eat fish, but they are good. But they when Bruce smells Dory blood, he is not bad, but he just not uh, strong not strong enough to don't eat them.
Very
He's not that.
good. Very good, Quang Hai. That's really, really good. So yes, Tweety, you are right. Bruce does try to eat Marlin and Dory, which isn't great. But as Quang Hai said, it's not because Bruce is bad. Bruce wants to be a better shark. He says fish are friends, not food. He's trying to be a herbivore. He's trying not to eat fish. He wants them to be friends instead. However, when he smells the blood, he doesn't have the strength. He's not strong enough to control what he wants. He is an animal. He smells the blood and he goes crazy. He turns into a different person. Even Anchor and Chum are saying, sorry about Bruce. He really is a nice guy. He doesn't mean it. So he cannot control that. Well done, Quang Hai. Okay. Let's see. Who would I like to read? Kang, can you read this for me? The sharks.
The sharks are very friendly and they want Dory and Marlin to be a part of their club. Marlin is very scared and doesn't trust the sharks. Bruce loses control when he smells Dory blood.
Blood, good.
Antor and to support
Chum, Anchor and Chum support
Bruce and
Bruce.
try to stop him from eating Marlin and Dory.
Amazing, lovely reading. Thank you, Kang. Okay, so they have a good relationship. The sharks are trying to be good people, sorry, good sharks and not eat the fish. However, they do have a bit of an incident when Bruce loses control. That's not so great. Okay, Nemo and the Tank Gang. What do we think? Good relationship or bad relationship, and why? Teddy,
A good relationship
why?
because they are introduced to Nemo and they will not hurt Nemo. And when Nemo got stuck in the soup, they rushed to help Nemo, but except for Gil.
Very good. Well done, Teddy. That was a perfect answer. Lovely work. So you've basically said everything in my paragraph. So Nemo is very scared when he gets put in the fish tank, but the tank gang are welcoming and kind to Nemo. They want to know his name and they want to know where he came from. When Nemo gets stuck in the tube, they are all quick to help him. This shows that they care about him. So that's exactly what you said, Teddy. Well done. All but one character. Gil. So let's talk about Nemo and Gil's relationship. Do Nemo and Gil have a good relationship or a bad relationship? Lekang.
A good relationship
Good girl. Why do they have a good relationship?
because when Nemo gets stuck in the tube,
Tube.
Gil, Gil said, just, just use your tail or use your fin.
hmm Good girl.
And then Nemo get out of the tube.
Good girl. Well done. Amazing work. So Gil helps Nemo, but he helps Nemo in a different way. He doesn't want to pull Nemo out of the tube like his dad would. He wants Nemo to do it by himself because he wants Nemo to be more independent. He does care for Nemo and he wants to improve how Nemo is. Quang Hai, the tank gang are these. The tank gang are all the characters that we meet in the tank. So we have Deb, Peach, Gurgle, Bloat. We have Gil, Bubbles, and Jacques. Okay, so they are the tank gang. Okay, but well done, Lekang. Very good. So Nemo and Gil have a special relationship. Okay, Gil wants to help Nemo get out of the tube, but he wants to help him do it by himself. He wants him to be independent and strong. Now, I think Gil sees something in Nemo that he sees in himself because they are both from the ocean and they both have a problem with their little fin. They both have problems with their fins. So Gil, I think, sees something in Nemo that reminds him of himself. Okay, so The last thing we're going to do today is this. We're going to compare and contrast. So what I'm going to do is we're going to play boys versus girls. So what we're going to do is Miss Rachel is going to say a fact about sharks, okay? If the fact is about great white sharks, I want you to say great white sharks. If the fact is only about Bruce, I want you to say Bruce. If the fact is about both great white sharks and Bruce, I want you to say both. So I'm going to pick one girl and one boy to play. Click the raise your hand button if you want to play. Okay, so let's go for Kang. You are the boy. And let's go for Teddy. You were up first. Okay, so Kang and Teddy, are you ready?
Yeah.
Teddy, are you ready too?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, are you ready? So the first fact is has 300 sharp teeth.
Both.
Very good. Well done. Kang was first, so that's 1 point for the boys. Well done. They both have 300 sharp teeth. Well done, Kang, and well done, Teddy. Okay, Ming Huang, you were up first, and Kiwi, you were the first girl. The next fact is eats fish.
Great white shark.
Good. Well done. That was Kiwi. Kiwi was first. Well done, Kiwi. Eats fish is great white shark. Well done. Good try, Ming Huang, and good girl, Kiwi. Okay, so that's 1 point for the girls. Well done. Okay, next. Okay, Noob, you're first, and Hammy. Noob and Hammy, are you ready? Good sense of smell.
Bruce. Both.
Oh, very good. Well done, Noob. Okay, let's have Quang Hai. You haven't played yet. And I need a girl. Le Kang.
No.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Come on, you can do it. Okay, the next one is can talk.
Both. Bruce.
Good, well done. So Le Kang, you said both, and Quang Hai, you said Bruce. Well done. I wish.
Great white shark in the real life cannot talk.
I know. I wish they could though. Well done, Quang Hai. So it's Bruce. Bruce cannot talk. Can talk, sorry. And unfortunately, great white sharks cannot talk. So well done. That's another point for the boys. Well done. Okay. I need another girl to play and another boy to play. Oh, Hacker, you can play. And let's have Hannah and Emma. Lives in the ocean.
Great white. Maybe the jellyfish and the turtles are friends.
Very good. That was Hacker. So Hacker went to say great white shark, and then I heard you say both. Well done. They both live in the ocean. So great white shark lives in the ocean, and Bruce lives in the ocean. So well done for the boys. Okay, this is the last one. Come on, girls, you can do it. Ming Ha and Ocean has a name.
Bruce.
Well done, Ming Ha. Good girl, Ming Ha. So the total is girls have 2 points, boys have 4 points. So boys, you are the winners today. Well done. Good job. Okay, guys, well done. That brings us to the end of our lesson. My mistake. That was not Mingha that said that. It was Ocean. Sorry, Ocean. You were first. So that means that the boys win with 5 points and the girls have 1 point. So well done, boys. You are the winners today. Good job. Okay, guys, so that brings us to the end of our lesson. So I'm going to show you your homework. So because it's the weekend, we have extra homework. So you've got 3 homeworks, one for each day, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Your first homework is this. Fill in part 2's timeline. So page 30. Please can everyone circle page 30 in your movie study notebook. I want you to fill in part 2's timeline, just like you did in part 1, just like we went over today. So in your own words and your own sentences, I want you to tell me what happens. So you can write here, Marlin chases after the boat, but he does not find it. He meets he meets Dory and finds out she has short-term memory loss. Next, you can say they meet Bruce and they go to a party that shows that the shark do not eat fish. Then we can see some blood in the air. You tell me what happens. Yes, Kang, do you have a question?
No.
No? Okay. Only raise your hand if you have a question, guys. Okay, so this is your first homework. Richie, do you have a question?
Rachel, but I didn't have the book.
You don't have the book. That's okay. What you can do instead is you can just write part two's timeline and you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you can draw the pictures and write beside it. Okay? So this PowerPoint will be sent to you. So you can check what your homework is using the PowerPoint. Okay? So this is your first homework. Second homework is this character relationship map. So you've already completed one like this for Marlin and Nemo, but this time you have to complete it for Marlin and Dory. So I want you to write what they're thinking, how they're feeling, and here you write a little description about their relationship. Do they have a good relationship? Why? Do they have a bad relationship? Why? You tell me. Please write in full sentences. I don't just want to see words here. I want to see a full sentence, okay? Now please circle page 31. So page 30, 31, and finally page 35, your last homework, drawing time. So I want you to draw your favorite setting from this part and label the picture. So there are many settings you could choose from. You can choose the fish tank, you can choose the ocean, or you could choose the abandoned ship where Bruce and the sharks live. And I want you to label the picture. That means if you draw the abandoned ship where the sharks live, I want you to draw a line and say abandoned ship. I want you to draw Bruce and draw a line and write Bruce. So draw your favorite setting from part 2 and label it. Okay, guys, do I have any questions about the homework? Make sure that you watch part 3 over the weekend. Watch part 3 over the weekend as we will learn about windows. Okay, bye.